Welcome to Mahadyuta Technical Solutions Private Limited. Established in 2019 and headquartered in Taloja, Navi Mumbai, we are a trusted name in industrial reliability, predictive analytics, and energy-saving solutions. Our global network of associates brings diverse expertise, innovative perspectives, and cutting-edge solutions, helping us set new benchmarks in reliability and efficiency across industries. As Team Mahadyuta, we are experts in leveraging advanced ultrasound technology and predictive analytics to enhance operational reliability, minimize downtime, and optimize energy efficiency. Our expertise spans a range of critical industrial solutions, including ultrasonic predictive analytics and energy-saving services for proactive maintenance, sales of advanced ultrasound testing devices for precise diagnostics, online vibration and ultrasound monitoring solutions to ensure seamless operations, thermal hotspot monitoring and automation solutions for real-time risk mitigation, handheld IR thermal imaging cameras for detailed thermal inspections, chemical-free industrial anti-scaling devices to boost efficiency, endoscopy services for mechanical inspection of gearboxes and other critical components, partial discharge detection using acoustic imaging technology for transmission lines and substations, drone-based transmission line inspection for safe, high-precision assessments. What makes Mahadyuta stand out is our deep specialization in precision diagnostics and failure prevention. Our expertise includes high-voltage electrical partial discharge detection to prevent insulation failures, bearing inspection and condition monitoring for enhanced machine longevity, pressure and vacuum leak detection to eliminate energy losses, steam trap and valve testing to improve energy efficiency, internal hydraulic system testing for seamless operations, tightness testing to ensure structural integrity. We proudly serve key industries such as pharmaceuticals, metals, paper mills, power generation, and more, delivering unparalleled value through technology-driven insights. As an authorized training and examination center for Mobius Institute, Australia, we empower industrial maintenance professionals with world-class certification programs. Our training helps engineers stay ahead in the ever-evolving field of condition monitoring and predictive maintenance. Our customers are at the heart of everything we do. Their trust drives us to consistently deliver excellence, innovation, and measurable results. Thank you for exploring Mahadyuta Technical Solutions Private Limited. To learn more about our services or to discuss how we can support your organization, visit our website or contact us today. We look forward to partnering with you in achieving a future of enhanced reliability and operational excellence.